Step into English, learning about boots. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, we are going to expand our vocabulary in the world of footwear, focusing specifically on boots. By the end of this video, you will not only know what boots are but also understand their various types and how to use related vocabulary in sentences. Let's get started. Boots are a type of footwear that cover not only your feet but also your ankle and sometimes even your lower leg. They are often made of leather or rubber, providing protection against harsh weather, mud, water, or hazardous work conditions. Let's move on to explore the different types of boots. There are many different kinds of boots, each with its unique style and purpose. 1. Ankle boots. These boots only cover up to your ankles. They're versatile and can be worn in many settings. 2. Knee-high boots. As the name suggests, these boots cover up to your knees. They are often worn in colder weather for warmth. 3. Combat boots. These are military-style boots that are rugged and durable. 4. Cowboy boots. These are characterized by a high, often angled heel and decorative stitching. 5. Rain boots or wellies. These boots are waterproof, usually made of rubber, and designed to be worn in wet conditions. Now that we know about different types of boots, let's practice using this word in sentences. 1. Ankle boots. She paired her dress with black ankle boots for a chic look. 2. Knee-high boots. He wore knee-high boots to keep his legs warm during the snowstorm. 3. Combat boots. The soldier laced up his combat boots before heading out on patrol. 4. Cowboy boots. He wore cowboy boots to the Western-themed party. 5. Rain boots. She put on her rain boots to jump in the puddles after the storm. That's all for today's video on boots. Now you know what boots are, the different types of boots, and how to use this vocabulary in sentences. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try to use these new words in your daily conversations. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.